cat.
I can't look back on the past, I gotta go forward, I gotta keep going and going. I'm trying to cut me a phone, that Christian Dior, I gotta go put this shit on. Time to go open some doors, I'm out of my mind, I'm missing some bones on my spine. I can't buy that little hoe, my cocoys, we ain't intertwined, and she took a sip of my wine. Ain't got no net, but I want me a Kimberly chain. That hoe be giving that brain. The way I be rapping, they say I be going insane. I thought this money make it rain. Talk got a charger, we pulling up on whoever. We like two birds of a feather. If it go high, you can catch it, your boy in a sweater. Singing with no acapella. I'm finna step out. Tyler say I gotta wreck 'em, so I'm finna wreck 'em. See, I always been regular, ain't never.
What's good, y'all? You know, back at it with another video. Now today, man, right now I'm finna pick up Jay. Where Jay is right now, he's picking up Little Caesars down the street. I'm at his house right now, so I'm gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna go to A&B Mufflers. And right now I have my stock resonators on still. Well, yeah, resonators. And on my car, if y'all seen the videos before when I pointed out and showed, I currently have MBRP exhaust axle back, because I think they make only axle backs and like cat backs for my car. So like we have to cut the pipes down below. It's not like other cars where you can bolt it on. If I was able to do that, then that'd be cool, but now I gotta cut this shit. So today, picking him up, going to ABM Mufflers. First, we're gonna go to the one in Grand Prairie. I'm gonna see how much they say for an xpipe, because the one in Arlington told me $80. So I mean, we're gonna see what they talking about and get that xpipe, because you know I'm ready to pop, 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 make pop noise, you know. Because I feel like with this setup, the MBRP exhaust and the xpipe, and then with the xpipe, it gets deeper and a little louder. So I feel like it'll sound good, because in the back with the axle back, MBRP's axle back, I have two mufflers on it, but on the side they connected with two resonators. So I mean, I feel like it'll be deeper and sound better. So yeah, you're gonna have to stay tuned, wait till Jay pulls up, because he had a little seizure right now, so I'm currently just waiting at his house. So yeah, let's get it. So Jay has now arrived. Krusty Krab Pizza. Hi.
I thought that was my car.
Damn. Sad day. Y'all don't know the story. Y'all don't know the story, but we'll tell y'all soon. Is that Krusty Krab Pizza?
It's the pizza for you and me.
Ooh.
Krusty Krab.
Krusty Krab. Krusty Krab.
Pizza.
Pizza.
You and me.
So the reason he said that, he thought it was his car, because yesterday, for some reason, he went, well, the night before, he stayed at Rockstar House, and then his car was out there all night, because I didn't leave till like 11 something from Rockstar House when I went over there. I left there, he stayed the night, and then the next morning, Rockstar went to work. Rockstar went to work at, I don't remember. It was early in the morning. I don't know if he was at 11 or something. But before Rockstar left, the car was there. Next thing I know, I think Jalen went outside. The car's gone. And Rockstar staying in some apartments in Irving. They're nice. It don't seem ghetto, but it's nice. And what happened? I'm not sure what happened, but the car wasn't there. And I think maybe today we're going over to see if they got anything on camera, because I mean, someone could have probably stole it. But the gates are closed. They were closed. Like when I got there, the gates were closed. So like you have to know the password, or wait till somebody opens the gate to like go in. But the car wasn't there when he went outside. So he filed a report to say it's stolen. But we're gonna check the camera, see if it was stolen or it got towed. But it's free parking, so it shouldn't be towed. But a little problem happened a while back, so I can't really speak on that. But it might have been towed, but at the same time, it might have been stolen, because with those cars, it's kind of easy to take. But we don't know. I'm pretty sure he would have heard the car start if it was turned on, but we don't know. So we're gonna see maybe later on or whenever Rockstar talks to him or whatever, and see if they had, cause they have cameras, they have footage, so we can see if the car was towed or it was stolen. If it's stolen, then boom, insurance claim, all that. But if it's towed, we don't know. We've been calling around to see if they've been at tow lots, but I don't know yet. But we're gonna get back into this video, so yeah, let's get it. So this is A&B mufflers. This is one that's in Arlington. So I'm gonna get him a contact and see how much would it be if they're still say 80. See, they gonna answer.
A&B mufflers.
Hello. I was calling to see. I have a 2016 V6 Camaro, and I was trying to see how much it would be for an xpipe.
20, what was it again? 2016?
Yeah, 2016.
For the xpipe, for everything, you know, at least $100, man, with installing everything.
With installing everything. All right. I was just wondering how much it'll be.
All right, man, yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Well, they told me 100. Well, I mean, it's cool. I mean, but like I messaged them like a while back. And they said they'll do 80, but I'm gonna see what the other one says in Grand Prairie, and yeah, stay tuned. All right, man, we here at A&B Mufflers, you know. Oh man, got my boy Gio. Man, why you been here? Grand Prairie, look loud there. Yes, sir. I'm trying to get my xpipe today. Like I said, you know, I got NBRP, you know, man. We got Out the Way, top season, you know. He's gonna get his cat to take it off. Yes, sir, A&B mufflers. So I'm gonna wait till it's my turn, so yeah. Yes, sir. You know, Gia pulled up. You know, I don't do much vlogging, you know, of other people's cars, but you know, follow my boy. You know, he's in Dallas Wits with us. You know, follow him. I'll show y'all the inside real quick. So, I guess he got like a special package. You know, look at these big old paddle shifters. You know, he got a little outline and everything. Oops, y'all didn't see that. But yeah, he got it tinted all the way around. Got the decal on the top. Got the seats. Let me start this thing up for y'all. SRT. Powered by SRT.
What you coming for?
X-pipe.
Ooh, that's gonna sound good as hell, bro. That's gonna sound good.
Can't have no copyright. Yeah,
I
man.
wanna get an Hellcat, but I can't do it, bro. I gotta stay with Chevy, man.
Yeah,
Chevy
man.
on that side.
So what's your options?
Huh?
What's your options?
Z06, Z01, CTSV. No, I'm probably gonna stay with Coupe because I want to destroy everything that's out.
Everything.
So it's either a CTSV, a Z06, or a Hellcat. But I'm probably gonna stick with that.
Yeah.
Z06.
And shout yourself out, man.
Put some slicks
Let
on
them
it.
know to follow you on the ground.
Oh yeah, out the way, man. One of the fastest Camaros in DFW.
Yeah, you need to give me your rear setup before you sell it. You know?
Oh yeah, we can make some happen. We can make
Yeah,
some happen.
man. I need that. But yeah, if I was you, bro, I'll get the vet.
Be different. I'm gonna
Yeah.
put some slicks on it, long tubes. Of course, the extreme with the two-step. It's with the speed. Crazy,
Yeah,
man. Crazy.
yeah, man. But yeah, this is Gio's car. You know, man. Powered by SRT. It's pretty dirty right now, but I got his emblem right there. Got the Brembos. This is the thing that stood out to me when he first got the car was his hood, man. This hood, man, that thing is nasty, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna give his keys back. You know, I just had to review his car real quick. Hopefully I can drive it soon. Yeah, but following Jill LaFleur. You can see what they're talking about. He's gonna get a straight pipe. Basically, he's getting his caps taken off. And we're gonna hear it in a little bit. Yeah, so he just got the 5.0 done, you know, 10-speed, automatic. Let's see how this thing sounds. Cat Yeah, so this how it sounds catless, you know, straight pipe basically. On the 10-speed automatic. Yes, sir. I go follow the boy. Yeah, so we're next. Alright, so we're at another ABM mufflers, cause the other one told me 120. So we came to this one, he told me 100, a 90 cash, but yeah, I couldn't get cash from the ATM because they wouldn't let me. The ATM didn't want to pull it out because it was tripping. So yeah, look at it, this nigga. Yeah, so we're at AB Mufflers, and yeah, they're gonna cut the xpipe off. So yeah, stay tuned. So they just got the resonators off. Right now he's getting the xpipe put on. Yeah, I don't know, I might keep them, I might not. Just for further future wise if I have to put them back on. So yeah. Yeah. You wanna shout yourself out or what? You wanna tell them fall on the ground? Alright, he's low key, man. I think Jay went to go take a shit. Yeah, but shit, yeah, you know, I got the rear axle back in the back with the resonators that you see right here. But then, yeah, so they're just gonna do the X-pipe there. Yeah, we're gonna see how it sounds in a bit, so stay tuned.
You got your fire?
That nigga at
You got your fire?
Rockstar.
You got your fire?
Rockstar Jalen is at home.
Man, don't touch me, fuck ass hoe ass nigga.
He not going. I was in the group little car with his ass. He said he wasn't going, bro. Get the fuck back, bro. I'll teach my bitch ass up, nigga. They got a lot of shit.
Hey, fuck them fuck ass nigga, boy. We air they pussy ass out, boy. Cause you got your fire?
Yeah, yo. And I got them vlogs on dick, nigga. New content coming to y'all real soon. Get it?
Nigga said like Kevin Gates.
Sir, you know it.
Hey, I was talking to Drika fine ass yesterday.
A drink.
And I told her I was gonna eat her booty.
I wanna eat her
And
booty.
she said she was with that, so I say shit. Big speaker gonna do it.
Oh God. Yes, God. Oh God.
Hey, boy, you gonna airdrop them mother?
Yeah, airdrop.
Oh, you get it in. You got your fire? I already asked that nigga that. He like, what's that, bro?
Bro, you ain't got your fire?
You ain't got your fire for it, nigga.
You ain't got your fire.
Nigga driving that bitch like this with no fire on that nigga, boy.
How the fuck I airdrop you that fuck shit?
You slide up when you click on the bitch, or you click
yeah,
the
when I
setting.
click on that
You click the
motherfucker.
setting, motherfucker.
Oh, like that?
You hold
like
that setting,
Oh,
motherfucker.
that bitch at the bottom. I
Yeah,
see that
you
bitch at
hit
the bottom.
that mailbox
I'm
down
finna
there.
shit. Look at all these videos, nigga. You finna have hella shit.
That hoe ain't gonna sing. That hoe gonna take about 3 days.
5 minutes long and shit. Boy,
A piece.
I got clips. Nigga.
Clips,
Hey, look, I
nigga.
got Jay acting stupid in Walmart.
Clips.
Look, here goes Savine acting.
Vein in that motherfucker, boy. Oh,
Car
cute
beating
ass.
shit out in this bitch.
Boy, eat that boy, boy. That
Look,
ain't
they
cute
tape
as
on.
bitch. Oh, the nigga with the GT?
It's a lot of goddamn. Huh? It's a lot of content, nigga.
But I can't show him all this shit.
Airdrop on.
Your shit just say iPhone.
Yup.
Alright.
Airdrop.
You gonna get that bitch?
That shit ain't.
Download.
Download.
That finna take about 3.
That shit finna be
3
forever
hours.
like a bit.
Y'all go today. I'ma go the weekend. Oh shit. Oh, that's a trip, but how you do? I try to zoom in on that bit. It's a Trailblazer SS right there. And Kevin Durant. And this slow ass Ford truck gonna take our parking spot. Like, I air your bitch out, cause I got my fire. You got your fire?
I got my.
I got my fire. So,
I never knew this was back here, bro.
bro, I'm smoking shit out this nigga. Like, we ain't come back here how many times? Oh, shit.
I got that Vic back here, boy.
Here, log back in.
Show them that Vic on that camera.
Oh, God, that niggas know this shit. Oh, shit.
It's a takeover, nigga.
Oh,
It's a takeover,
God, take over nigga. Arrest his ass. Arrest his ass. God damn, now hold that bitch.
I got the Raleigh, yes, I got the Raleigh. Man, slide that bitch. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God.
Hey, we can't complain about no copyright. This our nigga music, fuck nigga. I mean, it's all shit, don't talk about get it. Look at it. Oh shit, what's that? Hop on the JT, I'll be to Tokyo. She wanna fun cause I got the rolling on. They like some slow ass ST. I got the RS and shit. Oh shit, never mind. I got the rolling on. Oh, I told you. I got the rolling on. You see me? All this cash on. Oh shit! That is good! Oh my god! Oh my god! Cause I got the rollie off. Get that bitch an ass mode. Make that ass get stupid. When you driving on stupid, shot it. What?
Hey, Safi. What that you stupid? What that stupid? Hey, bro. I don't know what the fuck going on. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, where these niggas you go? Look, what you mean, go? What you talking about? This nigga lying, bro. This nigga gotta be lying, because he's still walking around in here. What are you talking about? Bro, what are you talking about? They call security for real?
I don't think so.
I play too much, bro. Got me fogging this shit.
Are you recording?
I started recording on this hoe. Dad, why you let him wear them little ass shorts? Dad, tell your son get some bigger shorts. Dad, he needs some bigger shorts. That nigga legs cold as shit. Hey, boy. Boo! Boo! Hey, nigga. Hey, nigga. Hey, yo. Give me that scooter, nigga. Give me the motherfucking scooter. I need to hold that right there.
Uh-oh. You're green. God damn.
Damn, what the fuck happened? What I missed?
Hey, you thought that was a bump?
I'm trying to hit that turn.
We got that shit on camera!
What these buses doing over here? They pick it up.
Yui!
They picking up the J's.
Oh God, they picking up the giant. we downtown, fucking positive hill. I seen the J stab J.
Run that bitch. Run that bitch. Run that bitch.
10, 9,
What?
8,
What?
7,
What?
6,
What?
5,
What?
4,
What?
3,
What?
2,
Y'all out. Y'all out. Y'all out.
Y'all out. Give me that scooter. Give me that scooter. Nigga, I want it. I want the scooter. Give me that scooter.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh shit, we finna die! Oh shit!
shit!
What the fuck?
Oh shit, where are we going? You better go, boy! We out here about the Jays! Shit, boy, we on the wrong side of the road, boy! We out here about the Jays!
Oh, this is
Donut spot!
this what you do down there.
Oh God, this is...
Oh, this on haunted. This on haunted. A nigga got shot right there.
I know some Jays up under there.
Oh God, niggas in there sleeping. You gonna wake the Jays up like that? You know they got that 40 motherfucker. Damn, you bitch don't want to stand.
That bitch is first. Oh, for real? Bumps out of shit. Shit. There's water right there.
That nigga need that water with it. Alright, I'm gonna fuck with the Jays. God damn. It sound like a trombone, trumpet, flute. We don't know what to do. This downtown Canada, Toronto.
Yeah, man, we in Mexico.
Mexico.
Doing a whole lot of
Mexico stuff.
Yeah.
This how called sports. The fucking street is sports.
What?
Just like a bandit. This a fucking. Let me turn this off.
Hey, I got, hold on. Look, let the window down. Let the window down. Window down. Let the window down. Somebody let the window down. Y'all should. Hey, I got a 10. You gotta pull off. I got a 10 for you. I got a 10. You don't want a 10? Damn, alright.
Oh yeah, man, that's a wrap for today's video. You know, seen it. You know, got the my resonates cut off. Got an xpipe. Well, a part of the xpipe because I gotta go back and get my secondary resonators off because my car's not like the SS. The SS comes with a factory xpipe. Mine don't. Mine come with resonators, just like a charger or something. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and get it done, man. Hopefully next week, so that way it can sound a little louder. I mean, it did get louder and sound a little much better. Like I get on the gas, you can hear. But yeah, man, that's a wrap for today's video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go subscribe. You know, like, comment, share my content. You know, browse through. I got a playlist. Go play that playlist. Yeah, man, that's a wrap for today's video. So, yeah. Oh yeah, one thing before I go, man. Y'all be ready, March 7th, man. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the Kings of Wheel Tires, March 7th, the YouTuber call out. Tickets available at Demonology's website. I will leave in the description below. And yeah, man, y'all be ready for March 7th. If you ain't there, I'm telling you, you're gonna miss a movie, man. March 7th, you're gonna have It's Just 6, Tall Guy, Miss Organic, Demonology, Hemi, Mozzie. You're gonna have everybody there, man. Turbo, everybody, man. You can't miss out, man. That's gonna be a lot of YouTubers. Every YouTuber you watch will be there March 7th. If you miss out, then you're out of luck, man. I'm telling you that event is gonna be something like, oh, I almost said something. Yep. Y'all be ready for March 7th, you know. Yeah, so I'll catch you in the next video. See you.